Fort Worth Dwelling, and we go to Wichita Falls. We're playing Earth, Texas.
There, it's recording. Start filming.
Come on, Becca.
Don't get my cherry, Jason. I don't want one.
You don't have to put them in the fire. Everybody, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Stop with it, Martin.
Get that blower out. Our fire pit.
Yeah, fire pit's kapooey, buddy.
His is on fire.
Mine's on fire.
Uh-oh.
This is on fire, Morgan.
Get a picture, Tori.
It's on a video.
It's on a video?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome, man. We could put this on YouTube or whatever.
Yeah, I'll put it on YouTube.
Just cut this part out.
Well, I can't.
Oh, I'm sorry. I spit on your marshmallow.
Becca's, yours aren't getting warm. Get them down there.
I don't want them dark.
They don't have to be burnt. Just put them down there.
I like them just heated up.
Well, you're going to want them a little closer than that or they're not going to get done.
Mine's melting off.
Jason, listen, eat them.
Dude, yours are black. Come on, get them out of there. Those are nasty.
I love the black ones.
Here we go.
There it goes. It's going to taste like burnt poop. Hot enough?
Oh, it was hot.
There went that marshmallow.
My tongue. Oh. I'm gonna go put these on chocolate and crackers. Low fat, by the way. Oh, we're going for a video now.
No. Well, to get on tape, it'll be like, why did you put your hair on?
As the Indians once said, I can't see you. Red circle. You ready to circle that? It says record?
Yes.
Alright, we have 2 quarts of normal lemonade, and now we're going to add 2 quarts of pink lemonade. And then we're going to put the lid on. Still recording? And then we're going to shake it up and see what it makes and what it does. This is an experiment. It's 2 lemonade, normal and pink. As you can see, it's still pink. I guess pink overrides yellow. Alright, now we open it.
And we take
Let me get a glass real quick. And pour it. And to show that there is actually some. It tastes like pink lemonade to me. Alright, goodbye everybody.
Mom's gonna kill me if she finds out I brought this out here.
I know, that's why I'm recording it.
Jason!
Are you positive that would work? Telling your mom that you just get your pills out and just didn't take them the whole month or week or whatever, how long this camping trip was? Are you actually absolutely sure that'll work? I mean, I know Aunt Marty, she was in the military. She's in the military, she can't be that stupid.
We did have too much fun.
I doubt that'll work. Would you buy that, Aunt Marty?
Huh?